Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here an affordable outdoor-looking smartwatch, the C29 Pro Smartwatch. I don't know if this is an upgrade of the C20 Pro, a rugged outdoor smartwatch, or it's a different wearable or a different smartwatch. Anyways, we are going to have the unboxing of the C29 Pro Smartwatch. It is one of the newest in the market for a sporty looking smartwatch with an affordable price. We are going to check, on this video, we are going to check the design as well as the basic UI of the wearable. Okay, so again, this is the C29 Pro Smartwatch. So if you are planning to get this wearable, if you are planning to buy this one and you are still undecided whether to get the C29 Pro, watch this video so you can decide whether to get this wearable or not. If you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below. And of course, please subscribe, share, and like this video. Alright, so let's start and have the unboxing of the C29 Pro Smartwatch. The wearable is available in black, silver, and I think rose gold color. And this is the packaging of the smartwatch, very simple as you can see here. We do have a metallic case, sport band, 49mm. We have here the color options. Compatible with Android 5.0 and above, and we don't have the details here if it's compatible with iOS. Okay, and what we have is the black steel color. So big 2.19 infinite display. Seems like all of the wearable right now is being branded or marketed as infinite display. We'll see with this one. So we have the user manual available in Chinese. I think this is the HRY Fine application. So I guess this is a different smartwatch. Okay, it's not an upgrade of the C20 Pro. Very small text here. I can't read it properly. Anyway, there's no use for us for this one except the QR code. We have a flexible silicone strap here with a quick release pin. We have the smartwatch, of course. So we have pogo pin. It's not wireless charging. Pogo pin with a USB type A. Again, the contents are the user manual. We have the pogo pin, charging cable, USB type A. We have a silicone strap, flexible silicone strap. We have the smartwatch here. And what's this? Okay, so it is a stainless steel mesh strap. Okay, an extra strap for the wearable. That's good. Very good. Okay, so here are the contents. We have the user manual, pogo pin, 2 straps for the wearable, and we have the smartwatch. Let's put this back. So we have the wearable. We have a metal body frame, 49mm according to the box here. We have PC back material. So let's remove this one. 2.5D screen display. I think the C20 Pro is much better with this than this one. But anyway, it's very affordable, sporty looking smartwatch. The C29 Pro. We have here the specs. Okay, we got it from Alibaba, as you can see here. 2.19 inch. Okay, touchscreen, 250 mAh battery, IP65 level, waterproof rating. You have a heart rate, blood oxygen as well as blood pressure, and sleep detection, breath training. Black, silver, and gold for the color. The material is zinc plastic. 240 by 296 pixel resolution. Okay, it's in the average side. Bluetooth 5.4, it's much better now. Bluetooth 4th generation processor, and we have here some additional features. So here are the promotional images of the wearable. So we have a calculator here, smart notifications, IP65 waterproof. Okay, so it is just basic waterproof protection. Unlike the C20 Pro, you can swim with it, I think. Brand new design UI. We'll see it later on. Stylus watch faces. We have here the health functions. This multi-sports mode. And the Bluetooth call. Zinc alloy narrow bezel design. Seems like the silver is much better, I think. Semi-glossy finish here. Okay, for the weight, let's check. 40 grams. With the strap, I think it will drop, or it will increase to 60, I think. Yes, 58 or 59. Shall we say 60? With the metal strap, it might go to 70 something. Yes, that's it. Okay, so that's it for the weight of our C29 Pro Smartwatch. So let's try to attach the strap, and let's see the overall look of our C29 Pro. It's a bit tight here. Okay, snap on. Then the next one. We'll see. Okay, very easy to attach. So here's the look of our C29 Pro Smartwatch. Let's see here. I think it is also marketed as a, let's see, Y13 if I'm not mistaken. Y13 smartwatch, as you can see here. Okay, C20 Pro, Bluetooth call, marketed also as Y13 smartwatch. Maybe there's some new additions to the smartwatch and they marketed it as a C29 Pro. Previously a Y13 smartwatch. Let's turn it on. Let's see. Okay, very good screen display. Let's see if this is rotary function. Yes, it is rotary function. Okay, seems like we do have a very good screen display here when it comes to the size or the black border. Very slim black border. Medium size body frame, and it seems like it's comfortable to wear. So here's the design of our C29 Pro. It looks like a GTS with some design on the body frame. Okay, for the UI, on top we have the push notifications. Wow, that's good. That's a new style. As you can see here, there's some transparency. Let's see. Okay, you can still see the watch face here when you swipe down. On the bottom part we have the, okay, see, different UI here. Seems like a one-page card. Okay, on the left side we have a different UI also, all in one page. Okay, you can edit this one. Seems like a window type or widgets, I think. That's good. That's a new addition or new innovation for smartwatches. And on the right side we have the different cards. So far, I'm impressed with the UI for our C29 Pro. Transparency, on the bottom part, we have the different cards here, or the different functions. I think maybe this one, it will show you the latest or the recently accessed apps. I don't know. If you swipe up, it will show you the main menu. Okay, can we access the main menu by pressing this power button? Let's see. Yes, we can also access it. On the left side, we have a widgets here. Okay, so far that's a good feature for our C29 Pro, and we are impressed with the UI here. Okay, I'm excited to see the menus and features for this C29 Pro, and that is for our second video. So that's it for our unboxing of the C29 Pro Smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, if you are planning to get one, and you want to know something about the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time. Bye.